Hello guys, welcome back. It's still Daniel Anthony. So today I want to talk about crypto investment, and I'll share it with my own story. I will talk about crypto investment with my own story. Yeah, my own experience investing in crypto. That was early March last year. I decided to invest $50 in purchasing some amount of Pi coin so that I will know how the crypto investment market works. So I purchased $50 of Pi coin on my BitGet wallet. Like I always hammer on this channel, if you want to purchase crypto, the best way to purchase crypto or the best place to purchase crypto is on exchange marketplace. And the most popular exchange marketplaces happens to be BitGet, Bybit, and Binance if you want to purchase crypto. It's not as if I'm promoting these exchange marketplaces. I'm just sharing my own recommendation, my own special recommendation. In fact, this happens to be the best exchange marketplace. It's either you are purchasing crypto or selling crypto on Bybit, BitGet, Binance, Mesic is there, KuCoin is there, and so on and so forth. You can even purchase crypto now on some custodial wallets, but the best place to do it most times is on exchange marketplace. So as at last year March, I purchased $50 worth of Pi coin. Yeah, I purchased it with the hope of maybe making another $50 profit added to it, because then Pi just got listed on BitGet exchange marketplace. So Pi was trading and Pi was on a high exponential trend. People was selling, people were putting money in Pi then, seriously. So I decided to follow the trend, not knowing that it won't really work the way I expected. I made a video about it, and the video didn't really do it. It got about 300 something views. I will drop that video link in this video description below so that you also watch. So that I did a video with my own personal account with the $50 inside of it, how everything was going down and up and all of that. I was hoping to for it to move to maybe $100 or even if it's $70, but to my greatest surprise, it started dipping. So after investing, after putting my money in Pi, and what really encouraged me was that when Pi came out, then when they listed, Pi moved to as high as $2 point something, almost $3 per one Pi. Then I waited, it dipped down to let's say as low as $1 plus. That was when I bought one Pi for around $1 plus. So later on, I came back to check. After I came back to check and I saw that it have dipped. The price of Pi have dropped to about $0.7 per one Pi, and I bought at $1 plus. So market volatility now have made me to lose some amount of money. That's why I always hammer on getting crypto knowledge. You have to understand one thing. The bitter truth about crypto is that you can make money and you can lose money. It's a 50-50 kind of game. But the pros are hitting it. If you understand how this thing works, you will make it. It's all about patience. What killed me, the reason why I didn't make profit with my Pi investment then was that I was impatient. There is something called panic selling in crypto. If you are fond of panic selling, you will never make profits. People that are in crypto business, people that are in crypto ecosystem are rugged-minded people. Some of them are people that already have enough money. Like they are willing and ready to keep money on the side without bothering on what happens with the money. And that's the best way to even make money in crypto. If you really want to make cool money in crypto, you must be ready to keep some money aside for a very long period of time. Let's say for the period of 3 to 5 years. Bitter truth. But some of these pros, some of these gurus, they will come and tell you that they can teach you how to put money in crypto and make profit after 1 week. It do work. Yes, some people are hitting it like that, day traders. But what if the market goes against your prediction? So that's why it's highly advised you go for the long-term strategy, because the long-term strategy will give you enough room to experiment, enough room to be patient. So if I put in money in crypto now, let's say I purchase Pi now today, and then I wait for the next 3 years. Are you trying to tell me that within the space of 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, I will not make profit in between? Definitely I will. Price of crypto sometimes do appreciate over the years. It takes years for a crypto price to really appreciate. That's one thing you need to understand in crypto. It takes time for crypto price to grow. It takes time for a particular crypto coin to gain mass adoption. The more adoption a particular crypto coin gains, the higher the price becomes. The more money investors decide to put into a particular project or decide to invest into a particular project determines how the price of that coin will appreciate. So at this point, Pi got listed. It was still at the early listing stage. I put in $50 with the hope of making $100 after 3 days or $4 days. I was thinking that now that Pi is on the early listing stage and the early adoption stage and early investment stage, people are now buying Pi and putting in money. I said, okay, let me buy and see if the price will keep going up. which will help me to make more profit. But to my greatest surprise, I bought, and I came back 2 days later to check my Bitget wallet, and I saw that I that have $50 there, I'm now having $43. Where's my $7? Where did my $7 go? Although I was experimenting, that's me. I love experimentation. I experiment a lot. That is how I learn most of the things I learn, the hard way. So I was surprised. I said, where did my $7 go? No problem. I kept quiet. I kept watching. After like some hours, I came back to check, and I saw that $50 have gone to about $37, losing about $13. I sold. I said, okay, that means investors didn't really put in money into Pi, so the price is crashing. That means Pi market is crashing. I panic sold. After selling, the market kept crashing. I said, oh, thank God I sold. Oh. To my greatest surprise, after like 2 weeks, I made that video, practical video, with my own Bitget wallet. I will drop the link in the video description below so that you watch. After like 2 weeks, the price skyrocketed again, surpassing the $100 expectation I was expecting to make. It moved to as high as 2 point something, I think about $2.4 again. And I've already panic sold. So the reason why I'm sharing my experience in this video is that I really want you to understand one thing. If you want to put money into crypto, you must be a patient dog. If you're not the patient type, forget about it. Let's just focus on maybe the social media content business and the content creation business for you. You understand? Because these are the 3 areas of concentration on my channel: the crypto business, the content business, and the social media business. These are 3 internet spaces that are proven to stand the test of time. I've been making content for the past 4 years, and I'm still making content, and the business is still paying. I've been taking advantage of social media platforms like YouTube for the past 4 years, and this platform has been existing for over 24 years, and it's still here, and it will still be here, and it will remain here. So this business have proven to stand the test of time. The content creation business, the social media management business, the social media presence and brand establishment business, it have proven to stand the test of time. Social media is here to stay, and to stay forever. How about the content business? People never stop watching content. People never stop watching movie. People never stop watching comedy. People never stop watching tutorial. People never start finding a way to learn new things. So if you make content in any of these areas, definitely you will win at the end of the day. You as a business person, one of the best ways to invest your money is to invest it in crypto. So that's why I decided to add crypto to our bucket list of area of concentration on this channel. The crypto ecosystem, financial freedom, don't joke with it, okay? So that's it. The video link is in this video description below so that you see my how I invested the money, how everything went, my experience in general. My expectation wasn't what I got, so you can check it out. Although Pi is still a potential coin, if you want to put money into Pi, I would still strongly advise you put money into Pi, because I've invested money in Pi after several locations. After doing that $50 investment, at about November, I also did about $15,000 investment to also observe the market. But the market is still just at a minimal exponential direction. It's not really moving towards the profit margin. So we just have to wait. We just have to be patient. Now, Pi is selling at around $0.2. That's about 20 cents for one Pi. So this is the right time for you to buy if you want to really buy Pi. If you want to put money into Pi. Pi is a British project. I think it's a Stanford project, Stanford University project, something like that. The project has been around the corner since 2019. So Pi is a special coin. It's on the high recommendation, and it has gotten mass adoption. And the mass adoption that Pi has gotten, Pi is not a coin that was created to just maybe for trading or whatever. Pi is a coin that was created to serve the means of exchange purpose. Like you can purchase things with Pi online. You can literally do things with Pi online. You can buy stuffs and pay for it online with your Pi coin. So, and Pi is still mining. Pi is still mining. You know, I always hammer on this channel that if you want to venture into the crypto ecosystem, it's very necessary you start with airdrop, because airdrop will really expand your knowledge to how the crypto ecosystem works. Don't worry, maybe the next video that I'll share on this channel, it will be the genesis of cryptocurrency. The title will be the genesis of cryptocurrency. I'll pieces everything you need to know about cryptocurrency in that video, so that you will no longer be afraid. Now, some people see cryptocurrency as a killer market, as a market where you can come in and lose money. If you really understand how the market works, you find it difficult to lose money, because you only lose money in crypto when you give up, when you withdraw your money. when you sell off, when you panic sell, that's when you really lose money in crypto. But if you're a holder, let's say you put in $100, $200 today in crypto, let's say $1,000, you invest $1,000 in crypto today, and you just leave it there. Say, okay, let's say I'm waiting for this money to give me profit appreciation from now to 3 years time. Good and fine. And one quick advice: it's very much advisable to split your investment on different coins. This is how you build your crypto asset portfolio. Do not invest all of your money in one particular coin, because you don't know what might happen with that coin. That is crypto for you. Anything can happen to a particular crypto project anytime, any day. A coin that is doing well can start doing bad. A coin that is doing bad can start doing well. And the result of that is adoption, investors putting in money into that project. Yes, these are the two things that really affect the price of a crypto coin. Let's say Pi now, let's say an investor, a crypto investor, just decide to wake up and say, okay, I want to purchase Pi worth of $1 billion. Definitely the price of Pi will spike up. Or let's say a company, for example, let's say Tesla now says, okay, you can now pay for Tesla products with Pi. Definitely the price of Pi will spike up, because so many business people that do business with Tesla will now start demanding for Pi, thereby making the price of Pi to become very expensive. It will be on high demand. It is demand that affects the price of a coin. If a particular crypto coin has low demand or has low market demand at a particular time, it experiences downtrend. The price goes down. But the moment the price starts experiencing a high demand, the price starts going up. That's why Bitcoin is always on the price of Bitcoin is always going high, because Bitcoin is a very popular coin and Bitcoin is always in high demand. You can literally do different things with Bitcoin. It's a very popular coin and it's a highly accepted crypto coin. In fact, it's the first cryptocurrency. So you have to understand what really affects the price of crypto before you now start putting money into crypto. So all of these things, I got all of this idea when I started hunting airdrop. Don't joke with the power of airdrop. You understand? Airdrop will help you make free crypto money. It's one of the proven ways you can make free crypto money. And it's also one of the proven ways to get real and decent crypto knowledge, in order for you to avoid being scammed, or also for you to stay safe in the crypto ecosystem. So guys, if you want to put money into crypto, trade with caution. Observe analysis, make your detailed analysis, make your detailed research. Be an explorer. Trade with caution. Don't rush into system. Do not follow trend. Do not say, oh, they said there is a particular coin that is doing very well, let me put money there. I did it with Pi and it affected me. So do not try it. I do little experiments, and from little experiments, I know what to do next. So until meet again, guys, it's still Daniel Anthony. If you want to put money into crypto, be smart, be careful, be strategic, and invest what you know that you'll be capable to lose. Yeah, the bitter truth. Until meet again, I love you, but for now, bye-bye and peace.